where chilly winds forever blow. Lived a penguin small and spry, jumping puddles oh so high. Jump, jump, puddle jump, splashing with a great big thump. Round and round the fun won't stop. Puddle jumper, flip and flop. Come and join me, penguin said. Two friends nearby, both blue and red. They splashed and laughed with all their might, puddle jumping day and night. Jump, jump, puddle jump, splashing with a great big thump. Round and round the fun won't stop. Puddle jumper, flip and flop. Through the puddles, big and small, penguin bounced and had a ball. Raindrops fell, but that's okay. More puddles for the gang to play. Jump, jump, puddle jump, splashing with a great big thump. Round and round the fun won't stop. Puddle jumper, flip and flop. When the moon lit up the night and stars were twinkling oh so bright, penguin yawned and said goodbye. Tomorrow, puddles, let's jump and fly.